Leadership, just like bobsledding, is full of twists and turns. But the secret to success is resilience. Here are 3 resilient lessons that I learned from the ice that I believe every leader can use. 1, embrace the unpredictable. Challenges are simply part of the journey, so adapt and move forward. 2, see failure as feedback. It's not the end, man. Every setback is a lesson that gets you closer to success. And thirdly, focus on what you can control. Effort and mindset, they are your most powerful tools. Remember that resilience isn't just about enduring, it's about building habits that help you to lead through challenges. So prepare for the unexpected. Confidence comes from readiness. And celebrate small wins because progress fuels momentum. When leaders lead with resilience, they inspire teams to see challenges as opportunities, creating a culture that thrives under pressure. So whether you're on the ice or in the boardroom, resilience is your greatest strength. So embrace it, practice it, and lead with it. Keep on pushing.